Right, 2 or 3 videos ago I did the fuel flap hinge replacement. Now I'm going to be doing the actual fuel flap or fuel flap cover, whatever you want to call it. Just want to open it up. All you need is a spudger or flathead screwdriver for this little slot in the side here. Push it in until it's going any further. There's a little tab there. Pry this end out towards yourself and then slide it that way along. It goes along these 2 rails here and these 4 tabs in the corners. They go behind these little rails on there. You might just be changing it for a like for like, one of yours in a bit better condition, changing it for a genuine carbon one, dipping it, you might want to wrap it but not in situation, spraying it, whatever you're doing. If you are getting it dipped or spraying, it's going to be sort of a more than just a off and on job. You can still shut that, still locks just fine with the car, you're just as safe. And putting it on even easier, you don't need the spudger or anything like that. I've had mine dipped. Just line up the rails with the gaps, get the 4 tabs square, push it until this sort of tab on this part clicks in place. You'll feel it is solid, and it's easy as that. I've gone for forged carbon hydro dip. Now whether you like the actual sort of pattern or print I've gone for, the actual finish on it is like glass. It's ridiculous. I'm really happy with that. Really set it off. Going to be getting some more bits done in that. For now, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.